yazi angisagqoki. Hayibo sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, this is iKids. Mina nawe sazi lesi, little did we know ukuthi khona lesi. Yo, ngeke bangikhohle, ngeke, it's fine, asiqale. Hayibo kaboni, hayibo. But when it was created, angels were singing, gods were crying. But it's the most delicious bread in the world. And iyatholakala nase South Africa. Inkinga ukuthi wena mntomnyama, you do not afford it because you are not the target market. Omunye umuntu njengami uzoyibuza ukuthi what's so special ngalesinkwa? Understand ukuthi it is wholesome, nutritious and delicious and a great source of protein. But a whole grain bread consists of fiber, yes, nesobe flour, ne whole grain, and brown rice, yes. Little rice ojwayele, brown rice, yes, making it the ideal choice of bread. We recommend toasting this bread to achieve maximum level of taste and crispiness. Yo, I am telling you, mntomnyama, sinenkinga entsha sha, brand new macece wenkinga, and igama lawo iKids. Yes. Lesinkwa kuthiwa once wasidla you can never go back because lesinkwa siyaphilisa. Lesinkwa sizokwenza sure ukuthi uyezulwini. So mawuthi wena ibudget ithe untenga kule nyanga, don't worry, ka-Kids they know how to satisfy ama customers abo because they have provided isinkwa whole grain bread, and it only costs cheap. This is the cheapest. If you are man enough, if you are woman enough, and uzithandela isinkwa esimhlophe, white bread, don't worry, ka-Kids they have your back. They have your back. Ngobani, they also have white bread yabo. It only cost. It's very affordable. Finally, if wena uthi uthanda isinkwa esimhlophe but esi-gluten free, ngizwe kahle, esi-gluten free, don't worry, ka-Kids they have your back. They have your back. Yazi wena, they created isinkwa crafted by the gods themselves. Understand ukuthi it only costs it only cost wena mawengane, nawe babengane, I'm sure nine-stress ukuthi ngabe khonani phakathi lana, what are the ingredients, ngoba ngenzeka ukuthi you're allergic to something or ingane yakho is allergic to something. Don't worry, ka-Kids they associate themselves with odokotela nama-scientists just to make sure ukuthi lesinkwa accommodates everyone. Njengoba ngisho, it was crafted by the gods. Even ama-angels were singing the time kwenzeka lesinkwa lesi. So if ever umntomnyama has dinner, party, umsebenzi or anything, if ever umntomnyama thola elambile osukwini, hamba uye ka-Woolworths uyitholele nje noma iKids.